If you've got a pivot table and it's got a long list of dates, but you want to compare year over year, it's very easy to do. Just before we continue, notice here I've only got 3 fields in this pivot table. So now what I want to do is show the years. So I'm going to go right click on the dates in the pivot table and say group. And you'll see you got a whole bunch of options. So we could do quarters, but I'm going to leave the months on and click on years. And when I say OK, so firstly the pivot table looks like that. Just notice a new field has appeared called years, and it's also appearing here. So even this looks a bit better. You can at least see the 2 years separately. But now because these are separate fields, notice I can click, hold, drag this into columns. And now what you've got is you can actually compare January 2021 to January 2022. And it just makes it a bit easier to take a whole bunch of dates from a pivot table and compare, for example, seasonality.